I am back in Colorado on my backup bike, my KTM 390 Adventure. I have a couple of sections in the northern part of Colorado to finish, so let's get to it. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I'm on the backup bike. My KTM 390 Adventure Touareg is in the shop for some routine maintenance, and I didn't want to miss an opportunity to ride. So I am outside of Buena Vista, and there's fantastic views of the 14ers here. It's pretty amazing. Weather is really good. And now I just need to finish the Continental Divide Trail in Colorado, which will be a pass, Boreas Pass, over into Breckenridge, and then it looks like there's a lot of road riding in this final few sections as I get into Steamboat and then head north. So we're just gonna finish this up and be done with Colorado, and I will show you what it looks like. So section 11, if you're following my GPS tracks that I've been handing out, it'll be effectively from Como, Colorado, down into Breckenridge, and then up through Silverthorne, and I'm not exactly sure where it ends into section 12, but I'll talk about it when we get up there. So let's get going. All right, I'm at the base of Boreas Pass heading up, and I wanted to make a couple of notes. This valley that you come up here, it is entirely private. There's absolutely no place to camp along here, along the stream here. So if you wanted to fish, forget about it. The only camping is at Selkirk Campground up here, like 4.5 miles. It's like $23 a night for a fire pit and a picnic table, vault toilet. So that's kind of up to you if you want to spend that kind of money. If you go further, and I'll show, there's other places to camp. So I'm heading up from here. I just wanted to note that this is all private, no places to camp. So if you were coming up here, don't plan on camping in this canyon. And I learned that the hard way when I was here last month. So let's get headed up this canyon and do Boreas Pass. Okay, I came off Boreas Pass. That section was awesome. Check this out. Super busy, really no place to film up there. A lot of bikes coming and going, and cars coming and going. It's Saturday. It's an easy place to drive up to get a good view of a lot of the peaks, and also Breckenridge ski area. So that was awesome. Once you come off Boreas and work your way down into Breckenridge, everything is paved, going through Silverthorne, and now I'm heading up Ute Pass. It's all paved. I think a good majority of this particular section is paved just out of necessity. There's a lot of private land and ski areas, and there's just not a lot of dirt roads that get you north. Now I think, if I remember right, Ute Pass turns into a dirt road a little bit further up. So we will see. Anyway, it's been a great day of riding. I forgot how much fun riding KTM 390 Adventure can be. It's easy to ride, it's very nimble, and yeah, it takes a little bit more work and effort. So let's keep going. Have you ever wanted a beaver tail to strap down your luggage, but didn't want to buy new luggage or change your luggage configuration? Well, I've got an easy solution for you, and that is the OBR ADV Gear Universal Beaver Tail. Now this comes with 2 panels with some cam buckles that allows you to strap this beaver tail to any bike with any luggage. I am not currently using the OBR ADV Gear luggage on my spare bike, but I wanted to show how this beaver tail can go on anything. Now, the great thing about the beaver tail is it's easy just to fold it over, put your bag under, or a lot of the times I want to put my jacket in here. So I do that, run it down there, and this here, give it a good tighten up. My jacket is packed in there, dry bag is secured. So use the discount code below, ADVMAT OBR10 for a 10% discount on your universal beaver tail. Okay, I've essentially finished section 11 of the Continental Divide Trail. And this is where the GPS tracks that I've been using gets a little funky, because if you follow the original track, if I've given you the tracks or if you have found them, they take you down the Big Thompson Canyon into Loveland and then over across up the Poudre Canyon, which is, that's like a 100 mile detour to get back on the Continental Divide Trail. And the reason for that is there's wilderness area, the national park, just areas where you can't get through very easily. Now I was able to find a bypass that'll take me across and cut some of this other stuff out to get back on the trail. Now I used the Great Mountain Bike route to reroute this last section that's going to take me over and connect me up to section 12 and then head up towards Steamboat. So if you're planning to do this, just know that the northern part of section 11, there's a cutoff. I don't have GPS tracks for that. I had to come up with it on my own, but that way I don't have to go all the way down onto the Front Range and come back, because that's a lot of additional riding that's unnecessary. So anyway, section 11 is mostly road riding other than going over Boreas Pass, which is really awesome. I encourage any of you to get out, whether you're doing the Continental Divide Trail or not. Just go ride over it. It's easy and fun. Now, just watch out for the weather. Weather systems can come and go. If you're at high elevations, thunderstorms can be quite dangerous. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, get out and do some riding. So let me know if you have ridden this section of the Continental Divide Trail or have ridden over Boreas Pass and what your thoughts on that were. Also, let me know in the comments if you're planning to do the Continental Divide Trail and when you're going to set out. Are you going to do the entire route from the Mexico to the Canadian border, or are you just going to do section? Or are you just going to chunk out sections like I've been doing as time allows? So anyway, remember, you can always make more money, but you cannot make more time. So get out and do that ride. Get out on your backup bike. Get out on whatever bike you have. Do the riding. You don't know when you're going to get a chance to do it again. Thanks for watching. Get out, do some riding, ride safe, and I will see you out there. All right, we working? Test, 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 test. Okay, everything looks good.